So by default, whenever you make a calendar event, then it is actually set as a public event. Meaning if you have shared out your calendar with someone else, then the event is actually public. So let's just go around and say test right here, click on save. And then what happens is that the event is created. But there's a filter applied, so it's not showing. So let me just clear this out. So here you can see that there are some events and all of them are public events. And if you want to set it out to private, now that means if you don't want others to actually see what the event is, even if you share out your calendar with others, then you can simply click around over here and click on edit. So once you do that, you can go around onto more option, and here what you can do is you can set it out to private right here by clicking on the private button, and then that is what you have, as you can see. Once you go around and save, then that particular event becomes a private event, and you can see that out right here by seeing the log icon. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go around over here and create an event, go to more options and set it directly as a private event by clicking on private right here. And let's say, for example, you can go around and say event, which is just for me right here, and click on save, and that particular event is a private event, and you can turn it public by clicking on more options right here and by unchecking private right here and by clicking on save, just like this. And that is how you can make the calendar event private or public inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.